Tonight, the trial is underway for a man charged in a devastating Des Moines crash.
Prosecutors say Robert Miller was racing at more than 100 miles an hour on Fleur Drive in December when he lost control. Police say Miller crossed the median and slammed into two other cars. The collision killed 4-year-old Marcos Faguada and left 2 others hurt.
KCCI's Todd Magel is following this case. He is live at the Polk County Courthouse tonight. Todd?
Stacey and Eric, the trial is underway here on the 4th floor of the Polk County Criminal Courthouse downtown. And the man in question, his name is Robert Miller. He is the man accused of causing this crash. He was sitting next to his attorney at the desk in the courtroom today. He did not testify yet, though, in this trial. Attorneys this afternoon and police say that he and Keith Jones, who was in another vehicle, were racing down Fleur Drive last December. They had been drinking together in a bar on the south side before this crash. Investigators say Miller and Jones reached speeds topping 100 miles an hour before Miller crossed the median. He crashed into 2 cars, and that crash, as we mentioned, killed 4-year-old Marcos Faguada. Court records say Jones stopped at the crash, but then he drove away. The attorneys for Miller says his client was driving fast, but he was not street racing. However, the prosecution says both were street racing.
This is about 2 grown men drinking half the afternoon at a bar, showing the whole world how macho they are with their cool cars, driving like bats out of hell down Fleur Drive without any regard to anybody else on that road.
None of these witnesses observed or expressed or will express any observation or odor of alcohol when they are in proximity to Mr. Miller. And they did not share any indications of, we expect they will not share any indications of believed intoxication.
Now, today, most of the people who testified were witnesses to the cars going north on Fleur Drive. They were also witnesses to the crash and the crash scene after it occurred. And by the way, we also learned today that the force of that crash actually split Miller's car in half. This trial is expected to last a couple of weeks here in Des Moines. We're live downtown. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
All right, Todd. Well, a second man charged in that deadly crash goes on trial next week. Keith Jones is charged with vehicular homicide, serious injury by vehicle, and leaving the scene of an accident. Police say Jones took off after that crash happened. Jones's trial begins June 1st.